In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI tools with Notion. By the end, you'll feel comfortable opening Notion, finding the AI panel, and getting helpful results from a simple prompt. We'll keep it straightforward and practical so you can follow along as you watch. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. Once your workspace loads, focus your attention on the right side of the screen. That's where you'll see the Notion AI option. It may look like a small button or panel that invites you to start asking for help. Go ahead and click it to open the AI prompt area. You'll see a text box where you can type what you want. Think of this like a conversation. The clearer your request, the better the result. If you tell Notion AI what you need, the time frame, and the format you prefer, you'll get a cleaner, more usable output. You don't have to overthink it though. Plain, direct language works great. Let's try a simple example together. In the prompt box, type, "Make a budget plan for 1 month." Then submit your prompt. In a moment, Notion AI will generate a structured response. Typically, you'll see suggested categories like housing, food, transportation, savings, and entertainment, along with allocations or descriptions for each. This is a great starting point if you're building a personal finance system or planning next month's spending. If the first result isn't quite what you want, refine it right there in the same prompt area. You can say things like, include savings, an emergency fund, use a monthly income of a set amount, or present it as a simple table. You can also ask it to adjust the tone, make the plan more conservative, or add a brief explanation for each category. Small clarifications go a long way, and the AI will quickly regenerate with your instructions in mind. As you explore, remember that prompts can be iterative. Start broad, review the result, then add details to tighten the output. You can ask for regional currency, percentages instead of amounts, or suggestions for cutting costs if you're trying to save more. Keep your goal in mind and use the prompt box to guide the AI toward an answer you can actually use. That's all you need to get started. Open the Notion website, find the Notion AI option on the right, click it, type, "Make a budget plan for 1 month," and let it generate. With a few refinements, you'll have a clear, personalized plan in minutes.